Hi, everybody. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. I'm so glad to have you all here. We finally made it to the end. So last week, that's right. So just to get everybody a heads up, last day of class is actually Friday night. So make sure to have all your assignments turned in by the end of the day Friday. That way you don't run into any issues because Saturday, that's it. I got to start grading and putting everything back together and finish it up. So just make sure you have all your assignments done by the end of Friday, and that'll be awesome. Other than that, let's just get into it. I'm really excited to take a look at your project papers. That's going to be fantastic. I know a lot of them were really nice, so I'm really excited to take a look at those when I took a look at the outline. So let's get into it. So this week's going to be really easy. It's going to be really nice. We're just going to talk about logos, some icons, some iconography, just a little bit of a fun lecture, just kind of finish it off. And then also we're going to get into just a post-mortem reflection of what you thought about the class and what you could take from it from the beginning compared to what was going on. Other than that, yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. So visual communication and media, intro to symbols and icons, right? So we talked a lot about this in we talked a lot about semiotics and how we wanted to play a part about it. So it's really interesting that in the fact that icons and symbols are really a good portion of that iconography, those very iconic style of symbols in iconography. Sorry, I just had a brain fart right there. I apologize. I know, right off the bat. But the greatest thing about it is when we're doing semiotics, they had those three different types of signs, right? Iconic, symbolic, and index. So we're going to really get into that a little bit more with icons and symbols and how they really kind of play a part and how logos play a part too, and what the visual connotations and communication gets communicated from those elements. And the funny thing about it is the identity of icons and understanding symbols is how logos are more than an icon and they're an idea and a symbol. And the funny thing about it is we're going to really define the difference between icons and symbols, where symbols have a more deeper meaning and understanding symbols could mean a lot of different aspects compared to icons. However, icons are simple, easy to use, and very straight to the point. We touched this a little bit about in week 3. However, we're going to expand upon this and really go further with a lot of the differences that we could with all the different symbols, icons, and different ways we can take a look at it from all the different logos. And that's what's really going to be cool. We're going to talk about logos. We're going to talk about symbols. And we're pretty much going to talk about icons and how they're used and what type of messages they're going to be communicating. That's the real aspect about that. The great thing is your discussion kind of ties apart with that, with the Starbucks and the Disney logo, and it's some really good information to really tie into. So yeah, other than that, that's all I got. Just a real quick introduction to what we're going to be talking about this week, just some logos and some postmortems and reflections. And that's pretty much it. So just keep in mind, your initial post is due on Tuesday night. Your reply posts are going to be due on Friday, okay? So do keep that in mind. Friday night. So make sure you have that completed by Friday, and then that's it. So that's the end of lecture. That's all I got. You should have your grades hopefully by Sunday with everything fully finished up. And that's all I got. All right, everybody. Hope everybody had a great week. Enjoy. Can't wait to see everybody for the last lecture on Tuesday. And have a good one. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody later. Bye-bye.